Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 4 healthiest ways to eat potatoes. The article discusses the nutritional benefits and proper cooking methods for potatoes. 1. Boiled potatoes. Boiling potatoes is not associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, unlike fried potatoes. Boiled sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index compared to baked or roasted varieties. Boiling potatoes while keeping the skin on helps preserve nutrients. 2. Steamed potatoes. Steaming potatoes helps retain nutrients like fiber and potassium. Steaming does not require cooking oil, reducing calories and harmful compound formation. Keeping the skin on during steaming preserves the fiber content. 3. Baked potatoes. Baking potatoes with the skin on can boost antioxidant intake and prevent nutrient loss. Avoid adding high-fat toppings like butter, sour cream, or cheese to keep baked potatoes healthy. Bake other traditionally fried potato dishes like latkes or fries. 4. Mashed potatoes. Mashing potatoes can be nutritious, but adding butter, cream, or cheese can make it less healthy. Use low-fat or plant-based milk to make creamy mashed potatoes. Consider blending in cauliflower to add bulk and fiber without extra calories. The article also discusses air frying as a healthier alternative to deep frying potatoes, as well as tips for incorporating potatoes into a balanced diet, such as using herbs and spices instead of salt and butter, cooling potatoes after cooking to boost resistant starch, and avoiding frying. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.